Hello friends, welcome back to math. Today we're going to talk about, oh wait, what comes after 8? Did you figure that out? I think I heard you say 4. Oh, no. I heard you say 2? Oh, no, silly me. What comes after 8? You're right, it is 9. We are going to talk about the number 9 today. This 9 looks kind of silly. It almost looks like a G. 9 sometimes looks like this, but I'm gonna write right on my card, watch this. 9 also can look like this. So 9 really, we're gonna practice writing our 9s like this, but sometimes a 9 can look like that. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And if we were going to see 9 of something, we could see a set of 5 and a set of 4, and that would make 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is just 1 away from 10. It is so close to 10. Let's go ahead and get started in our math workbook. Ready? You should be on page 155. Today, we are going to practice drawing that 10 frame that we worked on the other day. Do you think you could do it? I think you can do it. So we are going to start by making a, what was that shape? A rectangle. So let's draw our rectangle, 2 long sides and 2 short sides, right? And then we're going to divide it into 2 French fries right down the middle. How many lines up and down do we draw? 4. We're going to draw 4. So 1, remember, try to leave a space. 2, 3, 4. My boxes aren't perfect, but they're pretty close to being about the same size. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have more than 10 boxes, you need to erase and fix because we only want 10 in a 10 frame. I'm going to start, we're going to use 2 colors in this 10 frame today. I want you to use 1 color. I'm going to use red. You can choose whatever color you want. And we're going to draw 8 counters of that 1 color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, use another color. I'm going to use blue for my other color. I'm going to add 1 more. I want you to see that 9 is only 1 more than 8. So we made 8, we added 1 more, and now that makes 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. When we talk about 9, we can see that 9 is really close to 10. It's only 1 more away from 10. So you are done with our very first page. Do you see all those fireworks? Those are pretty cool coming around too. All right, friends. Let's mosey on over to page 156. So 9 is a set of 5 and then 4 more. See how these line up? Right underneath, 1 missing. We're going to make that 9 go around, up, and straight down there. N-I-N-E makes 9. So 9 is a set of 5, and how many more? 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 4 more equal 9. Let's go ahead and draw 9 counters in this 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're getting close, 8, and 9. We are up to 9. Again, if we added 1 more, it would make 10. Excellent. Next, we have page 157. This is where we talk about making sets, breaking 9 into 2 different sets. Remember, I don't have yellow, so I'm going to make these counters green. You use whatever 2 colors you have. You could use cubes, you could use the round counters, whatever you would like. Let's start with the very first one we did. Let's start with the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to make one more to make 9. So how many greens do I have? I have 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you have to count by ones, all of them, that's okay too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 greens. And how many reds? 1 red. 8 greens and 1 red equal 9. Make sure you trace that 9 up there too. I forgot to do that. All right, I'm going to take away one of my greens, turn it into a red. Now, how many greens do I have? 5 on the top row for that 5 frame. 5, 6, 7. I have 7 greens and how many reds? 1, 2. 2 reds. 7 greens and 2 reds equal the number 9. Let's change another green one and turn it into red. Now, let's see, how many greens do I have? How many on that top row? 5, and one more makes, when you count 5, after 5 comes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 green and how many reds? 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 greens and 3 reds equal 9. And last but not least, I'm going to take away one more green one and turn that one into a red one. And let's find out how many we have. How many greens do we have? That one's easy. A whole row of 5 is 5 on that 5 frame. So I have 5 greens, and if you have to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many reds do you have? You almost have another 5 frame of reds, but one is missing. So instead of 5, 1 less than 5 would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 reds. So we have 5 greens and 4 reds equals 9. Remember that pattern. Each row, as we go down on one side, we go up by 1 on the other. Down by 1, up by 1. All we're doing is transferring it. So 8, 7, 6, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see a pattern there. Are you ready? We're ready to move on to our very last page, page 158. There are some flags at the top. We are going to search for sets of 9 flags. Let's look at the red. Let's look, we have a set of 6 and 1 more. 6 and 1 more. Do you think that's going to make 7? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not a set of 9, so we will not circle that. A row of 3, a row of 3, a row of 3. We could go 3 this way too. We could count by 3s if you know how to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9. Or we can count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a set of 9, so we will circle that set. The last set of flags is a bluish purplish kind of color. If we try to look at sets, we could do there's 5 and 4 or 8 and 1. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a set of 9. So we will circle that set also. Last thing, what do you think we're going to do at the bottom? We're going to draw and show what you know about the number 9. So let's start by making a 9 first. Okay, we haven't done a lot of this. I'm going to make a dot. And we are going to go around like a circle, close it like you would your little A. Only now you're going to go straight down. You're going to make it a little bit longer to make the number 9. 9 began with an N. And you can look back at the pages before where they're spelled N-I-N-E. 9. And last but not least, let's draw 9 objects. We're not going to do it in a 10 frame. We're going to draw it shaped like that though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to come back to the beginning right underneath. 6, 7, right underneath. 8 and 9. If we had one more, we know it would make 10. Great job. Boys and girls, you will do your homework tonight with someone at home that can help you. You have kind of the same thing we did, making sets of 9. You can use different colors if you'd like. And on the back, someone needs to help read you the directions because you're not just going to count how many objects, you're going to compare your numbers as we talk about greater than and less than. You are rock stars. I'm so proud of you. Keep working hard. You are magnificent. See you tomorrow in math.